I would like to share, as CBRO rightly told you, the arrangement and the efforts being taken up by Indian Railways as a whole, and especially Northeast Frontier Railway in the Northeast region of 5 divisions: Katihar, Alipurduar, Rangia, Lumbding and Tinsukia. So we know that with the experience that suddenly crowd, so many passengers will come and then will gather near the station, will try to enter the trains. So some are the precautions we have taken this year. Major stations where we are expecting the crowd will be there and the space inside the station is limited. So we are creating holding area like this, as you have seen here. We will not allow excessive crowd to get inside the station and cramp the whole situation, especially footover bridges and all where the space is limited. And apart from this, such kind of holding areas will also provide here drinking water facilities somewhere near the holding area. Toilet arrangements has to be there. RPF will be always alert and will ensure that whoever is there in the holding area, they queue in properly and that gets inside the station premises. In the holding area itself, you can see that announcement of the trains is there. I think the screen is also there where all the passengers can see the train position, exact train position. Chhat Puja is also coming. Many instances we have seen that Chhat Puja is observed somewhere near the track area where there is a small pond or something like that. There also we have taken very special care. Last year also we did that. Our RPF will be available round the clock to ensure that nobody comes on the track and the run over kind of things situation arises. I am only requesting you that please cooperate with us. There should not be any misinformation. If you get any information that any incident regarding, you can first, before it is shared on the various groups and social media, please take a confirmation from CPRO. You can take the confirmation from DRMs in the division before sharing such kind of information, which is really going to cause problems for the passengers and also for handling the NF Railway, the traffic and all. Somebody is coming from away, outside other places, far away places to celebrate, and then he meets with some certain accidents and all. It's very unfortunate. So we will make all effort to avoid such kind of things and try to make the passengers experience this time much better than if you have seen in the past. Thank you so much.